What's good, YouTube? It's lorShift back at it again with another banger video. And as y'all can see by the title, we finally doing another collab with SRT LEN, POV drive on the highway. If y'all don't already know, he has a Hellcat, the first ever purple eye Hellcat. It is underground tuned, so it spit flames. Like, I know y'all watching this joint asking where he's at. And that's a good question, because I don't know where he is either. Got another charger in front of me. I'm trying to get him to come around so I can see the flames and shit. I'm not going to do too much talking like you already know in any of my other videos. I try not to do too much talking. I let the engine speak for itself. But if y'all don't know what I have, I got a 2019 Dodge Charger RT. Completely stock, just straight pipe, no cats, no mufflers, no resonators. It's really cold right now, so I'm trying hard to keep the window down so I can get a better sound of the engine, but mobile. We are in track mode, as you can see. If this video continues to cut out, I apologize. I'm running out of storage on my phone. I know I need to buy a camera. I've been slacking, but it's cool. I'm gonna get one. And I apologize if it's dark as shit. Put the window down real quick. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Bro, I'm about to run off the road, bro. Oh my fault. Alright. Bro, what the f... Purple eye Hellcat. I know y'all cold. I'm done. Nah, that's crazy, bro. That shit hurt my ears, bro. I don't know about y'all, but that hurt my ears. See, that shit crazy. If y'all give me the 1,000 likes on this video, nah, let's push it. Let's push 2,000. Give me the 2,000 likes. I'll buy underground tune right now. As soon as it hits 2K. I thought that was a charger behind me. What the fuck that is? 2,000 likes. I'll buy underground tune and I'll make this RT spit flames. Them taillights are hard. RT spit flames. 2,000 likes. I'll grab that shit right now. Now that I'm looking, bro, my taillights are hard as shit. Like, that's crazy. I never really liked having stuff on my, like, I like the stock ones better, but if y'all enjoying this video, smash that like button, of course. We're gonna continue to drop some banger videos. We got an easy pass coming up. I might put the camera down real quick. 1 mile. Track mode sounds crazy, dog. Oh my God, downshift. I don't know why my star's not on. Stars turned off for some reason. Alright, y'all, this would have been the best part of the video if we can catch up to Len, but he literally just disappeared. But we getting in the tunnel right now, and y'all gotta hear it. Nigga needs to go, bro. Like, why do people cruise in here? No. My ears, bro. Huh? Yeah, it might be. I wonder if cops could do something though, if you should just...
That would have been the best part.
Right? Now look at it, it might be a cop up here. But I don't know if they can do anything for flames out of your exhaust. I don't know. Nah. Unless they sit in a cut. I'm gonna do a quick little pull for y'all. I'm not gonna go too fast, but my camera keeps running out of storage, so I apologize if this video ain't too long. You already seen SRT LEN's car go crazy. Y'all seen a couple pulls in my car, so still got Len in front of me right now. Yo, it's dark as hell, bro. I wish this helped. This helps a little bit. I'm only recording like 2 more minutes, and I'm gonna put the phone down so it could charge and I could delete some stuff for storage. But as of so far, if y'all enjoyed this video or if y'all enjoying it right now, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Once again, 2,000 likes, I'll make this RT spit flames. So tap in, like the video, turn me up, y'all.